Are you interested in starting the ketogenic diet to lose weight in a healthy way? As beginners, there are questions and steps to be taken before trying the keto diet. You might want to ask yourself, is the nutritional ketosis state considered quite safe? Does the keto diet work? Can you eat any food on keto? Why the keto diet is bad? Well, I have good news for you. In this video, you will learn keto diet rules and guidelines, 10 foods to avoid on keto diet, and what is ketosis and the keto diet. So please be sure to watch this video till the end because it will help you to have a full understanding of the keto diet. So please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video to your loved ones because this video might be helpful in order to get into ketosis in the right way. So, what is ketosis and keto diet? It involves a whole process that occurs when your body lacks excess carbohydrates to burn for energy. Rather, it burns fat and creates ketones. The keto diet, in another vein, is a notable low-carb weight loss program that helps you to burn fat. It makes you have less cravings for food. So what are the ketosis side effects for beginners? No doubt there are side effects or symptoms that may occur while on a keto diet. This is very prevalent to beginners or those who are not consistent enough in ketosis. So although these symptoms vary per individual, of course, but during the first week on a keto diet, you may feel uncomfortable or even worse. Some people also refer to this feeling as a keto flu. This is a normal medical condition that arises from the withdrawal of sugar and carbohydrate or changes to your immune system. No cause for alarm if you experience the following symptoms: stomach ache, weakness or dizziness, sugar cravings, irritability, cramps, headache, constipation, difficulty sleeping, and fatigue. So those are just some basic side effects that you may experience when you're just starting out ketosis. But drinking water can simply reduce or prevent some of the aforementioned effects. So, what foods should you avoid on the keto diet? So you may be wondering what kinds of foods to eat and also to avoid during the ketosis diet. So first, I'll focus on the type of food to avoid during a keto diet. So, the following list of foods should be avoided or reduced during a keto diet. This includes, but not limited to, the following: unhealthy fats. So make sure you reduce the intake of mayonnaise, processed vegetable oils, and more. Second thing is alcohol-based food. Remember to also limit your alcohol intake. Since alcohol is present in carbohydrates, too much alcohol in your beverages may distort your keto diet plan. Avoid sugary foods like cake, fruit juices, smoothies, candy, soda, ice cream. They should be avoided or drastically reduced. Ignore root vegetables like tubers, potatoes, carrots, sweet potatoes, and more. And don't give room for diet products. They are very, very high in carbohydrates. And grainy or starchy meals or foods like rice, pasta, cereal, and wheat-based food should be avoided or significantly reduced if you want to follow this keto diet. So you should try to avoid carb-based foods listed above if you indeed want to use the keto diet to achieve your weight loss goal. So take the guesswork out of keto with custom meal plans. No need to count carbs or fats. Eat what tastes good to you while enjoying all the benefits of keto. And the way to do that is to click the description of this video to get into keto the right way. So I've told you all about the foods that you need to avoid, but let me tell you about your food haven, or the list of foods that you should look into when you're trying to start a keto diet. So I'll be revealing the highest fat keto foods or keto healthy foods that you should look out for. So, here is your diet list: cottage cheese and plain Greek yogurt, seafood, avocados, low-carb veggies, eggs, nuts and healthy oils, poultry meat, and so much more. So, cottage cheese and plain Greek yogurt, it is a special meal when it comes to the best ketone diet list. Cottage cheese and yogurt are very rich in protein and calcium, which we need. Different studies have reviewed that both protein and calcium can reduce food cravings and make you feel full. So enjoy high fat foods like yogurts and cottage cheese to keep you full for a very long time. Seafood like fish and mackerels are very rich in B vitamins, selenium, potassium, and protein as well. Seafood is the real and actual low carb diet you need during a keto diet plan. So, when you consume fish regularly, you enjoy wellness and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Seafood, like fish, is a must when cooking for keto healthy food. And the next one is avocados. So one of the most foremost low carb food you should subscribe to is avocado food recipes. It is beneficial to a healthy heart because they are high in monounsaturated fat, minerals, and potassium. And you also get about 7 grams of fiber and a total of 9 grams of carbohydrates just from that small avocado. So let's talk a little bit about our low carb veggies. So no doubt vegetables are very rich in nutrients like vitamin C, minerals, and more. Non-starchy vegetables have low sugar and contain antioxidants that actually help to prevent the cell from damaging. So low carb veggies like spinach, green beans, broccoli, and bell peppers are keto healthy foods that you should definitely try out. Eggs. Who doesn't like eggs? Eggs are keto healthy foods that you should not ignore. It is very high in protein, minerals, and B vitamins. 2 eggs have zero carbohydrates. In other words, the intake of the egg as a keto diet reduces the excess consumption of high carbs. Eggs also boost the hormones that make you feel full and also moderate your blood sugar levels. So, I'll also talk a little bit about nuts and healthy oils. So seeds, nuts, or healthy oils are also good for the keto diet. We can use coconut oil and olive oil on ketosis. They are a low carb keto diet that you should definitely get into. They take proper care of your heart condition, and this is why they're a healthy keto diet for your weight loss goal. Now, poultry meat. I know everyone has tried poultry meat like chicken, beef, and more. And of course, they are the primary source of lean protein. So it is ideal for a ketogenic diet. There are no carbohydrates in chicken and other poultry diets, but they are rich in potassium, zinc, minerals, B vitamins, and so much more. So the above ketogenic diets are low carbs foods you can enjoy while on the keto diet program. So with this video, you should be able to know the foods to avoid on the ketosis diet and also the healthy foods that you can take to boost your energy while you are on ketosis. But to get your custom keto diet plan to lose weight in a natural way, to keep eating food or daily plans you like, I've provided a link below in the description of this video. And trust me, it works. I've seen my friend use this exact meal plan and she has met her weight loss goal in just 3 weeks. So don't be afraid to try it out. And don't forget to like and share this video so that it can reach to the people who would like to know more about this content. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Bye for now.